Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're not going to do a vlog or something in the house. We're going to go outside and we're going to see some cool animals and stuff. Let's go.
אנחנו פה בקיבוץ כפר עציון. Evia, is this for your channel?
Yeah.
What did you find?
Look at this.
What is this?
A turtle.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's nails. It just went in my nail. This was not planned.
No. So we
It's
just
no.
walked around and...
No, look.
Yeah, and he's walking.
Seriously amazing.
Hey,
Why does he
Evia,
have this
how
shield
about
on
the
his
use of the word turtle or
Oh my
tortoise?
gosh, I just want like okay. Like he's a Commonly, the word turtle is used to describe all species in the family, regardless of whether they are land-dwelling or sea-dwelling. Tortoise is used as a more specific term for slow-moving terrestrial species. That means on land. So you see, Abba used turtle, but actually he should have called the creature tortoise. Duh! Learn your English, Abba. Hey.
Oh.
I'm gonna touch his head. Like, look. Oh,
Matey, what do you have?
I found a long ladybug.
Oh, there's many long ladybugs here. Oh.
And I found one that was connected to it.
I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. Turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles. I like turtles.
Okay, you can go.
Your food.
See you, turtle.